Lord my God, you so loved me, you gave your only Son. Even in my sin, you set me free, that I might have eternal life. I once was lost, but now I'm found. You've taken away my worthlessness. You've turned my shame into songs of praise. Forever I'll live to tell of your unfailing love. Christ, you're all that I need. As far as the east is from the west, as high as the heavens above the earth, as far as the waters cover over the seas. So high, so great is the love you have for me. Burdens of this world may bring me down, and darkness may reign in the night, but God is my strength through the storm. I won't give up, the Spirit's will fight. I once was lost, but now I'm found. You've taken away my worthlessness. You've turned my shame into songs of praise. Forever I'll live to tell of your unfailing love. Christ, you're all that I need. As far as the east is from the west, as high as the heavens above the earth, as far as the waters cover over the sea. So high, so great is the love you have for me. Broken hearts become brand new. That's what faith can do. I've seen dreams that move the mountains, hope that doesn't never end. As far as the east is